When it comes to pouring beer from a tap system as opposed to cracking a can and handing the can off to the customer, bottoms up has proven to be the most efficient and fastest way to dispense beer that we could possibly imagine. My name is David Solomon. I provide food and beverage concessions at music festivals and music venues all over the country. Our current locations that are utilizing bottoms up in a very aggressive and successful way is the Hollywood Palladium in Los Angeles, the Wiltern Theatre in Los Angeles, Westbury Theatre in New York, and the old National Center here in Indianapolis. Compared to our traditional tap pouring system, there's no comparison. It takes no time to put that cup on a bottoms-up unit and go multitask with something else compared to 15 seconds time, 20 seconds time. It's 3 to 4 times faster than a traditional system where our bartenders would have to stay in front of the tap and pour it. No comparison. A lot of people, even our bartenders in the beginning, were stubborn about utilizing it because it was different. It was new. Those same bartenders today don't want to work at a bar without bottoms up because they've learned to multitask. They're doing 3 things, and I'm not exaggerating, they're doing 3 things at the same time. They're ringing that person up, they're handing off the bill, they're mixing a drink, they're even waiting on the next customer while that beer is being filled. And any good bartender that's working in a high volume situation like we are absolutely sees the value, a good bartender. And at the end of the day, I do better with bottoms up than I do in a traditional system.